welcome to Deep Course, and today we will discuss a LeetCode weekly contest 323 question, delete greatest value in each row. So here we are given an m-close and matrix, and from the each row we will delete the element with the greatest value. If there are multiple elements with the same value, then we can delete any of them. And further, let's say we have deleted 4 and 3 here, then we would add the maximum of both 4 and 3 to our answer. So let us take a look by an example here. So here this is the test case we are given 1 2 4 3 3 1, and let's say for the first row, let's say operation 1. So in the first row the maximum element is 4, from the second row maximum element is 3, so we deleted both of them. The maximum of both of these is 4, and from the next operation the maximum element from the row 1 is 2, maximum element from row 2 is 3. So and maximum of both of them is 3, so this is, and for the operation 3 the maximum element from row 1 is 1, and only remaining element from row 2 is 1, and maximum of both of them is 1. So and in the end we would return the summation of all of this, that would be 4 plus 3 plus 1, that's 8. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing they did here. They selected the maximum element from both the rows and deleted this, and on deleting we add the maximum of those deleted element to our answer. That the simple thing is in here. Now to approach the question is, what we can simply do is we would simply sort all the rows. Let's say 1 2 4, then we would sort as 4 2 1 3 3 1. Now for each let's say what we would do, we would check for the first row, then for the second row, then for the third row, and we would take the maximum of each of the for each of the column, first column, second column, third column. So here maximum is 4, here maximum is 3, here maximum is 1, and we would simply add those. Okay, so this is the logic of to solve this question. So I hope you got the logic behind this, and now let's move on to the coding part. So what we would simply do is we would sort row wise, grid dot begin, grid dot end. Then what we would simply do is we would traverse the column. For each column we would do that. So let me take two variables in them as a grid dot size and n as number of columns. Now for if we would traverse for each, now I will also initialize one answer variable as 0. Then for each column, let's say for int j equal to 0, j is less than n, j plus plus, we would check for the row or the maximum element from the column. Int I equal to 0, I is less than m, I plus plus, like current. So the least possible value here is 1. Let me take current as 0, and current would be the maximum of grid of I j comma current, and simply after each column operation we would say simply add to that our answer, and we would return answer variable. Okay, now let me try to run this. So instead of sorting like this, so what we have to do here is we would travel for all the rows, total rows are m, and we would simply sort each row. Okay, sort of grid of I, and I would place this code below this. Okay, now let me try to run it. Okay, let me try to submit this. Yeah, it's passed all the test cases, and it beats 97%. Yeah, because we did sorting here, and then we applied for the maximum element from that each column. So I hope you understood the question and the logic behind this. So that's all for this video. I hope you guys liked the video, and if you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section below. Make sure you like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.